Welcome to coderChronicles. Become a maestro in mobile app development with Flutter. Sit back, relax and enjoy the show.
To make this icon button be visible, I'm going to add a named argument called color, and this name argument needs color as its widget, colors.white. But that is not enough to make this icon button be visible. What it needs, it requires margin and some padding. And to do that, I'm going to wrap it inside another widget called a container widget. So I'm just going to put this my cursor here and click this yellow bulb and say wrap with a container like that. What is a container? A container is an inbuilt widget in Flutter that allows a developer or a programmer to add some padding, margin, shape, and many more other features inside another widget. I'm going to add some margin like this, and I'm going to add edge inset all. You can say all or only to set left, top, and bottom, or you can say symmetric to hold vertical or horizontally. And I'm going to use symmetric just to add horizontally margin of 10, and vertically I'm going to add a margin of 0. To remove the blue squiggle lines, I'm going to use the const keyword again here, and that's enough for our widget. To center this text, this hello world, I'm going to wrap again this text with another widget called center widget. This center widget makes sure that each child is centered of the screen of our application. I'm going to remove this const keyword here and add it in front of this center widget. Press the reload button or the restart button to reload your application. After reloading, we can now see our application has restarted, and we can see our icon button here with this nice white color, and we can see that our text here, the hello world text here, has been centered on the center of our screen. Now let's add some third-party packages in our Flutter app, that is Google Fonts. I'm going to click a new tab and say Flutter Google Fonts. I'm going to click on this link and come and click installing, and I will copy this command here. To install third-party packages in our Flutter app, open your terminal and paste the command that you have copied from the Flutter third-party packages website. Paste it here and click enter. Wait it to finish installing. Pause the terminal. I want to customize this text of Flutter expense track. The text widget has another named keyword argument that is style, and the work of Google Font is just to style your text widget on the way you want, or to customize it the way you want. You can either use the text style like this and add some colors, background color, foreground color, or you can just use your Google Font that you have just installed in your application. To use Google Font, I'm just going to type the word Google Font. If it is not appearing, please reload the application or just restart the application. If the Google Font, when you type on the style keyword, not appearing, restart your application and come and try again. Type Google Fonts and say dot to see all the fonts that are built in the Google. But for me, I'm going to just use Cambo font, and I will. And inside this, you can add your customization like color, font size, font weight, and minimum. Just to know what inbuilt features are in your widget, you just have to hover above it, and you will be given in this screen or in this widget here all the things that are needed on your widget, or all the inbuilt features that are added in a widget. So I'm going to use color. I just want color of colors.white. Use color white, and I will use font size of 18, and that is enough for me. And for these red squiggle lines, I'm going to remove this const keyword, because when you are using the Google Fonts, please do not use const keyword in front of your text widget. That is enough for me, and I'm going to click on the restart application to restart my application and see how it is firing on. I will wait it to restart. After our app reloads or restart, you can see that this header of Flutter expense tracker is nicely written in another font, and our icon button is visible, and our hello world text is centered. In the next tutorial, I'm going to add some functionality where you can click this add application and you go to another screen of adding a new expense. And I'm going to change this hello world to Flutter expense tracker.